good idea of what they do, and it kind of helps you go into a different place of manufacturing again. But it's just a big vary in knowledge moving from place to place as well, and you can get an idea of all the different places, and I think that helps you in anywhere that you go.
It's a secure career with different sides to it, so you're not just stuck in one department, you can advance through different ones and just meeting lots of different people really.
I would definitely recommend the manufacturing and engineering sector for a career or for an apprenticeship. It allows us to learn skills that can be transferred between further industries, as well as helping you improve your confidence, improve your independence, as well as forward thinking and a plethora of other skills.
I think once you understand the manufacturing process of anything, you can transfer those skills. So, from way back when I started with the washing machine company, there was a process, things have to be manufactured, they get dispatched, they get damaged, they get returned. So in my world, those skills of learning all of that and the process was transitional through all of the companies that I've worked at.
So at school I'd always liked design and technology, so I went into the engineering industry as the skills were transferable, and I really get on with people within Filton Mist Limited in the engineering sector.
The one thing I really like is the fact that every day is different. No day is the same, so you don't come in thinking, right, I'm going to send this email, whatever. You know what you need to do every day, but there is a change of pattern every single day, and that's something that's really quite nice.
The manufacturing industry is diverse as well, so you can sell, you can be customer service, you can go and assemble, you can project manage, there's so many.
There's lots of different avenues.
Yeah, there's lots of different avenues. So once you're in the manufacturing industry, you can go anywhere.
Yeah.